Another episode of Sheeps as Lawnmowers. As you can see, this is a bit overgrown. And by overgrown, I mean even such that the lawnmower couldn't cut through it. So what we are doing is we are going to utilize our goats and our sheep to eat down this pasture. Now, what's great about the combination of goats and sheep is that they eat different things in the yard. So the goats are more known to eat taller, tastier things like high-standing plants, and then the sheep will work their way down and eat the grass. So between the two, they do an excellent job of clearing down a field. They're hungry and will just eat nonstop. I'm on a pretty busy road here, so I'm sure the people driving by are just wondering what on earth is going on. Because actually the road isn't very far, though we have fences up. So we just actually recently enclosed this area just so that we have a safe spot for when the animals need shearing, hooves need work, things like that. But we let this area go a little too far. And too long, I should say. And then when I tried to come at it with a lawnmower, not even the lawnmower could really handle it. The whippersnipper wasn't doing a good job either. So it just makes sense to use what you have. And these guys are excellent. In fact, in the world of solar panel arrays, they use sheep because they're so gentle and can navigate around the panels to prevent growth from blocking out the sun. So sheep and goats have been used for this purpose for a long time. So it is exciting to get the opportunity to do it ourselves. Anyway, I will have an update. This is the before. Sorry, the endless traffic, it's hard to talk. See if I can get a better picture of the before. And then we will have an update on the after. The purpose of this project is to get them to eat the grass. Unfortunately, being on day one, they're still not used to this area, which makes them skittish. But when they do decide to get to work, they are amazing at what they do. Just watching sheep do their thing. It's quite relaxing. Hi.